guys, tonight is a great night for steak, and now I'm gonna check out Fat Jim's Steakhouse in their new location. Nagyamon sila sa same building, but nala sila sa Atubangan. So here in Hernan Cortes Street in Mandaue. So let's have steak, guys.
You know it is our lives. On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Can play my favorite song.
So actually, ganahan na mo sa bagong location sa nila kasi it's more spacious and mas makita na, mas dali na makita sa mga tao.
Sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size, not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Can play my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on.
So hi guys, it's time to eat, and tonight we're having the 30-man Angus steak, of course. And it's they're on promo actually. It's 980 per serving from 1,560, so that's a big discount. And it's one. And it's quite big because it's 400 grams of per serving, and it comes with a side dish like a mashed potato and some veggies. Yeah, we had it medium well because my wife doesn't want it. Normally I have it medium rare, but my wife likes it a bit cooked, so medium well, which is they cook it right and it's still tender. About your mashed potato. You also order a chili shrimp pasta. It's cooked well, al dente, pastas al dente. I like the spiciness. Not too overpowering, but it doesn't sting in your mouth.
Like a movie without ending.
Hindi siya gahag kayo. Cook na siya. So kung hindi mo ganang dugo, have it medium well because it's still tender. And then you still have the flavor. Of course, the saltiness and they have this sauce. But normally I don't really put sauce on it, but yeah, it's still tender and really enjoyable to eat. So guys, we just had dinner here, and of course enjoy. I mean, the steak was really enough for the two of us. We ordered pasta as well, so it was fun. We ended up very full, for me, especially me. So I really feel it in my tummy. So basically, definitely worth it on servings. I always been impressed here with the servings. Even when I first ate here, especially they have those chops as well, and then they have also buko. I tried that one as well. But yes, tonight I had steak and wow, it was worth it. It's 400 grams, less than 1,000. Maayo pagkaluto, well, really cooked, correctly cooked as well. And yeah, my wife loved it. We enjoyed it, the flavors, and of course, definitely the serving. Pogi na Indian, nabusog me, so happy me. So if you want to reserve a seat here, you can call 0932-511-6888. So it's 0932-511-6888. So 6888. Visit Fat Jim Steakhouse at FLC Center here at Hernan Cortes Street, corner F. Cabahong Street, so in Mandaue City. So visit them na and let me know what you think about their food. But for me, really, I really love it. So thank you so much for watching. Kung wala mo na ka, subscribe sa my channel, subscribe na, and let me know if you have other places to eat na nindot kayo kanan. Don't hesitate to PM me para akong bisitahan. Good night. Bye.